Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's review the intersection snap. At the command line, type OSnap. This will open up your drafting settings. Make sure you're on the Object Snap tab. And we're going to take a look at the intersection snap down here. Okay, let's take a look at the description. Snaps to the intersection of an object, such as an arc, circle, ellipse, line, polyline, ray, region, spline, or X-line. Extended intersection is not available as a running object snap. Okay, let's try it out. We're going to draw some random objects. Here we have vertical line, horizontal line. Let's add a circle, maybe an arc, and then maybe a rectangle. Okay, so here are some random shapes here. And we're going to make sure we have our OSnap, our object OSnap on, or you can also type F3 to turn it on. And we're going to have the line command, and we're going to try to snap or highlight our intersections. So the X here is our intersection point. Here's another intersection point here. All of these are our intersection points. And here's our rectangle. And that's one thing to know, that the corners of a shape such as a rectangle, the intersection snap will also highlight, so it doesn't have to be a line that overlaps or cross each other. Just something to keep in mind. And there you have it, folks. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.